this video I'm going to be showing you how to create this pink look either for any occasion or for Easter. It's only using 3 colors, very easy, very simple. So if you would like to know how to do this eyeshadow look, go ahead and keep on watching. So I like to go in with my concealer in the color Tan Stan. I use that as my base for my eyeshadows. I like to go in afterwards with my Laura Mercier just to set my concealer. Okay, now taking my Rivera palette, the first color I'm going to use is called Coastline, and it's the shade right here. I'm going to use this shade for my transition color. I'm going to use my Morphe E27 brush, and I'm just going to apply that all over my crease. Also, you guys, just wanted to mention, don't mind my wrinkly background. That's the best that I got right now. I don't know if you noticed in my other videos, but it was showing my messy room and Leilani in the background, so my husband wanted to improvise because he's playing in the background too. He's sitting in my bed and playing PlayStation, so he was like, let me do something for you, and this is what he came up with. So this is what I have for now. I mean, something's better than nothing, right? Next, I'm going to go in with the brush that comes with the palette already. I'm going to take this color here called Bahamas and apply it over my crease where we applied the transition color. Okay, you guys, and then I am going to be packing on the color. Packing and then blending. I'll be packing the color until I get the exact payoff as I want it to be. So yeah, if you want to do this, just pack, blend, or you could also pack that color and then blend it afterwards, but for me it's harder, so I pack and then blend, pack and then blend. I hope whatever I'm explaining makes sense. I'm not really good at explaining things, but if you have any questions, please don't be shy to ask. Leave them in the comments below and I will gladly answer the best as I can. But yeah, I'm just going to be doing the same thing on the other eye as well. Pack and then blend, pack and then blend. I think the most time-consuming thing about doing your eyeshadow is just a blending. You want to make sure that the your eyeshadow is well blended, so you can't see those harsh lines. But yeah, just take your time. So I did take the first brush I went in with to apply my transition color, the Morphe E27, just to blend the everything together. Okay, after that I'm going to take the Makeup Shack brush T79, take the color Palermo. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but yeah, that shimmery fuchsia pink color and apply that on my lid. I wanted to make this eyeshadow really quick, so I didn't do any fancy cut crease or anything like that. I just applied it on my eyelid that didn't have no color, and yeah. Okay, you guys, so also for this color, I was packing it on until I got the desired amount I wanted. You can go in with setting spray as well, just so the color could look a little bit more intense, but since I wanted this eyeshadow look to be quick and easy, I didn't do that. You can if you want, but in this case I didn't. So after I was done with the shimmery color, I did go in back with the color Bahamas and just applied a little bit more just so I could blend both colors together. I know I said that I only used 3 colors, but I needed to use this color right here called Tempera, or if I don't know if that's how you say it, whatever, from the Modern Renaissance palette. And I took the Morphe times Jaclyn Hill, the JH42, and applied that color on my brow bone just to make it pop a little. So yeah, it might have been 4 colors, but still quick and easy. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Morphe M508 and use the color Bahamas again and just apply that on my waterline. Alrighty, so I'm also going to take this color here called Inheritance, and I'm going to take my Makeup Shack brush T63 and apply that color in my inner corner just to make my inner corner pop. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. Just using 3 colors, fast and easy, good for Easter, for spring. I think this look was really easy and fast. So yeah, if you guys liked this look, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and please leave in the comments below what looks you want me to do or what colors you want me to play with. And if you want to know how to apply lashes, just let me know in the comment down below as well.